In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a 1/2 inch torque wrench from the company Superker, maybe is how you would say that. And number one, you know, came in a nicely packaged case here. This is exactly how it came. It came wrapped just like this. And open it up, you get a calibration sheet. So you do get certified on this calibration. And then you get a little set of instructions. But you know what? If you've used a torque wrench, you probably know how to use a torque wrench. Let me show you. This thing looks awesome, very premium. The handle looks and it feels solid. The mechanism feels really good. I love how the mechanism works on this thing. Let me just kind of like show you some of the features on this. You hear that ratcheting mechanism in there? There's the left and the right. Sounds really good. This is the 1/2 inch drive, by the way, and it has foot-pounds on this side and Newton meters on this side. And to adjust it, we're going to pull down on this piece and then screw it in just like a normal torque wrench. So let's say I want to go, okay, I have a trailer over here and I think a lug nut needs to be done at about 80 Newton meters. So let's put it on, or 80 foot-pounds. So I am on 80, and you see how it goes one, so that's 80, and then if I want to go like 85, there's 85. So let's go 80. Now it's locked in. So what I want to do, let me go ahead and grab a socket. I can't remember what socket I need over here. Let's go ahead and take it over here to the trailer and let's hook this thing up and let's see how well it goes from 10 pounds to 170 foot-pounds. That's a beast. So let's do this now. Okay, I'm over here in my little trailer, so I'm going to use the 13/16 socket. This does have a push button mechanism there. Push that in, lock that on there. Notice that will not come off. Let's see if we are torqued correctly on these things. So let's go ahead, let's put this on here and see. I just loosened it up a little bit. Now let's tighten it down. It should click. That's got a really good ratcheting mechanism to it. Y'all hear that click? Watch this. Let me do it one more time. Let's move the camera over just a little bit where you can get a better view. Listen to this click. I am at 85 foot-pounds of torque on that lug nut right there. Let's go to the next one. This is how you're going to ensure that you're good on all of them. There you go. That is a loud click on that, by the way. That one's good. There you go. 85 on that one, 85. So now there's 3. We got one more to go. Here's the last one. There we go. 85 foot-pounds of torque on all 4 of my lug nuts there. I highly recommend using a torque wrench anytime you're working on a tire or something where you're going to need to have consistent pressure all the way around. This thing worked great. You want to adjust it, you can adjust it back down pretty easily. There you go. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Supper Cup. What a funny name. Torque wrench. And it looks really good. See you on the next video.